He has been identified as a terrorist not just by India but by the United Nations as well. But in a clear act of defiance, the Jamaat-ud-Dawa chief Hafiz Saeed has used public gatherings to spew venom against India. Times Now has acquired the audio of Saeed's address made at the Punjab province of Gujranwala on Friday. The 2611 mastermind has said that linking 2611 terrorist Ajmal Amir Kasab to the Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a conspiracy, insisting that the JUD is a charitable organization. Addressing a prayer meeting, Hafiz Saeed also lashed out at the US, saying that the US has an agenda to disintegrate Pakistan, saying Islamabad too is succumbing to American pressure. Saeed goes on to say that India wants to bully Pakistan and that the Pakistani establishment should reject any offer of talks from India.
अमरीकी दबाव कबूल करते हो, इसी को अपनी सियासत समझते हो, उनको मुतमईन रखना, अमरीका को खुश रखना, ये तुम्हारी सियासत की अलग बे है, अबजद है, इब्तिदा है, यही असल है तुम्हारी सियासत की। तो जब आदतें पड़ जाती हैं, अमरीकी दबाव कबूल है, तो अब इंडिया कहता मेरा दबाव कबूल क्यों नहीं करते, मेरा भी कबूल करो। इस पर सियासतें करना कोई जरूरत नहीं, वल्लाह बात कोई मसला ही नहीं। मैं कहता हूं मनमोहन एक मर्तबा बकवास करे कि मैं बात नहीं करना चाहता, तुम 1000 मर्तबा उसके मुंह पर मारो हम तुमसे बात नहीं करना चाहते। क्या जरूरत बेवकार होने की, बेइज्जत होने की, अपने मुल्क के वकार को दांव पे लगाने की।
And here's a look at some of the outrageous claims made by the Jamaat-ud-Dawa chief. In his first outrageous comment, Saeed alleges that linking Kasab and 2611 to the Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a conspiracy. He says that the United Nations has blacklisted the JUD at India's behest after the Mumbai terror attacks. He also claims that the Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a charitable organization, and he's also raised the bogey that Pakistan faced an existential threat from across the eastern border in a clear reference to India. Saeed, who is also the founder of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, claims that the US has a secret agenda in Pakistan. The Jamaat-ud-Dawa chief has also alleged that the Pentagon wants to disintegrate Pakistan and the country's current rulers can't defend it. Now, Saeed has lashed out at the Pakistani establishment, saying that the Pakistani government is branding him a terrorist only to please Pakistan's enemies in an indirect reference to India. Saeed's comments against the Pakistani government come even though Islamabad has been trying to protect the man held responsible for the worst terror attacks on Mumbai.
मनमोहन हमारे बारे में बकवास करे कोई तकलीफ नहीं, लेकिन अपना जब कोई बात करता है तो तकलीफ होती है। अखबारों में पढ़ो तकलीफ होती है। वल्लाह मुझे कभी इस बात की तकलीफ नहीं हुई कि हमारे हुक्मरान हमारे बारे में क्या कहते हैं। दहशतगर्दी के अल्फाज कह के ये क्या कर रहे हैं, वल्लाह कभी परेशानी नहीं हुई। परेशानी इस बात की है कि ये अल्लाह के दुश्मनों को खुश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
And here's a look as to how the Pakistani government has led off the 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed despite overwhelming evidence against him. On the 10th of December last year, the UN Security Council imposed sanctions on the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. A day later, the Pakistan government placed Hafiz Saeed under house arrest. On the 5th of May this year, the Lahore High Court extended Saeed's detention period. But less than a month later, on the 2nd of June this year, the High Court ordered Hafiz Saeed's release. On the 6th of July, the Pakistan government finally relented to pressure and moved the Supreme Court challenging the 2611 mastermind's release. However, in a setback to New Delhi's efforts to make Pakistan walk the talk on terror, the Punjab provincial government withdrew the appeal challenging his release, citing insufficient evidence provided by the federal government.